Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are unboxing an Amazon chair that I ordered for my business room. Fucking cut myself. I'm sorry y'all, excuse the French. Alright, I'm okay. I'm a little down bad, but I'm good. Hopefully it will be easy to put together. Y'all, it's best to just throw those boxes and get them out your way, you know? All right. I'm really over here reading these instructions because I really just didn't know if I was gonna succeed this project or not. But let's continue watching. Gotta be careful with this. A little bit sharp. Alright y'all, so now y'all won't be hearing me do much talking, but I am going to be putting the chair together so we can see a finished product. And y'all let me know how I did in the comments at the end of the video.
Share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day.
I see my man's coming over there trying to make sure I'm doing it right. He could have just did it for me, but it's okay. I want to be a handy woman on the low. Okay.